Hello everyone, this is Kitty Cat Craft Studio, and today I'm gonna announce the giveaway for the non-member giveaway. So the items are on Leah the Bunny 123, but nowadays most items are, sadly. Okay, sorry if you hear any background noise. It's just background noise. But anyway, I am going to spin a wheel. Since there's only 4 people signed up for the giveaway, which is sort of sad, but you know, I only have 42 subscribers, and this is one of my first giveaways, because the first one failed, totally failed. But I'm going to show you the wheel, and I'm going to spin it right in front of your eyes, so you can see that I'm not choosing myself who's going to win the giveaway. So let me show you. Okay, so here's the wheel right now. We got Marco Rhino, I'm So Adorable 22, Victor the Cool One, and Legit Mail. See who wins. Congratulations, Victor the Cool One. You have won the non-member giveaway. Okay, so now I'm going to switch to Leah the Bunny 123 and see if Victor the Cool One is on to give them their items. Okay, so it turns out Victor the Cool One is not online right now, but anyway, I need to announce that, well, I need to say that the giveaway, the member giveaway, is ending tomorrow. So you better get signing up for the giveaway. So please watch the giveaway video, please, because I only have like 2 submissions for, not submissions, 2 comments for the spike. So sorry for that background noise, but anyway, so see that spike color right there? That one, yes, that one right there. That one is the same one that I have on the giveaway. It's the same Zios, I don't know how to say it, but the same spiked color. What I'm trying to say is she has the same one. So that's basically an example of what it looks like on your neck, if you don't know. But yeah. So yeah, anyway, I just really want you to sign up so I can put them in the wheel, and then whoever gets it wins the spike. So if you really want a Zios spiked color, please sign up for that giveaway. The video is somewhere, and yeah, so please like and subscribe, please click the notification bell. But yeah, sorry about that. It's sort of, I didn't realize it was still recording. Something happened. But anyway, I hope you liked the video. Please sign up for that giveaway. It ends tomorrow, so try to get tonight or early tomorrow morning. And have a good day. Or should I say good night? Well, bye!